Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Acorns, a popular investing app that's designed to make saving and investing easy. Now, I know that investing can seem intimidating, especially for beginners. But with Acorns, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. The app does all the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on your other goals. So, let's dive in and explore the benefits of using Acorns. Benefit number 1, automatic investing. One of the biggest benefits of Acorns is that it's an automatic investing app. This means that you don't have to remember to make regular contributions to your investment account. Instead, Acorns will automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 75 cents. 1. Thetadepreneur.com. Thetadepreneur.com. This is a great way to save money without even thinking about it. Over time, these small amounts can add up to a significant sum. Benefit number 2, diversification. Another benefit of Acorns is that it offers a diversified portfolio. This means that your money is invested in a variety of different assets, such as stocks, bonds, and ETFs. This helps to reduce your risk and protect your investment from market fluctuations. Acorns offers a number of different portfolios to choose from, depending on your risk tolerance and investment goals. So, you can find a portfolio that's right for you. Benefit number 3, low fees. Acorns is also a relatively low-cost investing platform. The fees are typically around 0.5% per year. This is much lower than the fees you would typically pay at a traditional brokerage firm. Benefit number 4, easy to use. Acorns is very easy to use. The app has a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy to set up your account and start investing. You can also track your progress and see how your investments are doing over time. Benefit number 5, educational resources. Acorns also offers a number of educational resources to help you learn more about investing. This includes articles, videos, and webinars. This is a great way to get started with investing and learn more about how to manage your money. Who is Acorns for? Acorns is a great option for anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't have a lot of time or experience. It's also a good choice for people who are looking for a low-cost and easy-to-use investing platform. How to get started with Acorns? Getting started with Acorns is easy. Just download the app and create an account. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. You'll also need to choose a portfolio that's right for you. Once you've set up your account, you can start investing. You can choose to have Acorns automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, or you can make manual contributions. Acorns is a great way to start investing and build your wealth. It's easy to use, affordable, and offers a variety of features that make it a great choice for beginners. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to start investing, I highly recommend Acorns. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy investing.